Alright guys, here is the trade recap for today. So if you guys looked at my daily bias that I had posted in the analysis section, I was a little bit skeptical about where price wanted to go this morning. With this being down here, we were holding this 4-hour bullish fair value gap as well as this hourly inside of it. And I was wanting to see a reaction off of this bearish hourly fair value gap. Now, I said that if we were to inverse this bearish fair value gap, I wanted to take longs to London and Asian highs. And now if we drop it down on the lower time frame, we see market open is right here. We end up pushing up, tapping the bearish hourly from here, just sitting on our hands, remaining patient. We'll see how we react off of this. We end up coming down. I ended up taking this trade, actually. I wanted to see a resweep of this high after tapping into the hourly bearish. This 1 minute was what I entered on. And your stop loss was pretty big for this trade. Not a good risk to reward. My stop wasn't like this. It was a smaller stop, something like this. But basically, this was a continuation trade, and I took this live on stream. I went break even when we swept this internal high, so literally this candle. And then we got break even stop from there. Price would have ended up hitting TP, and I know a couple of the members in the server ended up banking on this, but it wasn't worth it for me to sit through all this chop, and I wanted to wait for something better. Shortly after that, we end up getting this inversion. Now I also did not enter this one as well. I do know that some people banked on it, but your stop loss, I mean, in reality it shouldn't go all the way down here, but that's a pretty small stop loss in all honesty, and you're targeting a super small move as well. So I guess you could have left a runner for the London and Asian highs, which were the draw on liquidity, but didn't really like that, and I was just going to be patient. From there, we end up coming up. ES and NQ both sweep London highs, and they both create relative equal highs with Asian. So I still want to see Asian hit at this point. I'm going to remain patient. Don't like anything with this. These low resistance lows, just going to be patient. Eventually, we do get some displacement, SMT. This was a 2-minute inversion here, guys. Now, price action overall not good today. Overall, pretty bad. This 2-minute inversion would have been a perfect entry, perfect model, but we don't get a close outside of it. So we don't inverse that until higher up. I mean, an entry right here would have been beautiful to catch this entire move, but unfortunately, I had to wait for this change in the state of delivery. From there, it was a super quick break-even / TP because ES then shot up and took out Asian highs, so we did put an SMT in right there. And I did close out my position for a 1-to-1. Made like $600 on this. So overall, I mean, solid. I would have liked if, we could have rode it out for a little bit longer. But I mean, it's all good. We had a clear draw on liquidity, and the most important thing being we remained patient throughout all this chop today. Sat on stream for like over an hour with just nothing. We were just sitting through all this chop and bullish order flow. So hopefully you guys were able to take something away from this trade recap video. Hopefully you guys also did not get chopped up within today's market because it was overall not the best price action. But yeah, hopefully we should see some better PA later this week. But until next time, I'll see you guys.